welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be unboxing nail products from Korea. We're super excited. So this is the big box we have over here. So let's get started.
So before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that I am not sponsored in this video. Candy has placed this order for us by contacting this Instagram seller from Korea named Sunnail Sungnam, and she carries most of the products that we will show in this video. For poached items, we ordered from the website and shipped it to Sunnail, who bulk shipped everything to us. If you have any other questions or would like more details on the products shown in this video, please let me know.
Let's cut this open. We ordered a lot of items and I actually forgot what we have ordered. So let's see. So I think this is the display kit for one of the sets. Well, we'll take a look later. Have some smiley face stickers and these winter sweater stickers. Oh, these are really nice. They are very detailed. Look very winterish. So this one is actually from Japan. Yeah, this is from Japan, but it's made in China. This one, I don't know. So there's more sweater stickers. There's nail foils. These are all florals. There's 2 boxes of these. These are gonna be so pretty. Can't wait to try these out. And then there are these dried flowers. This one is actually clipped on top here. I don't know why. There's not that many colors, especially the orange, but they're really cute though. And then there is a pack of glitter, Poached brand. We got some hearts, hex, dots, fine glitters. Again, all the links to these items and prices will be in the description below and on the video. There's more foils. Oh, these are used to make the really in style, it's called ice nails. It's called, I forgot, but I will put up a picture here. These holographic paper is really in style right now. So I got a set of this dynamic reflect, and that's what this is for. This is for the display. Now let's take a look inside. So in a separate video, I will show you what it actually looks like. This is the bottle of it. I'll open one bottle up. Wow, so shiny. Here we go. So got the whole set. It's from this brand called First Street, and this is a Korean brand. So what do we have here? I think this is a cuticle cutter. This is just a clipper to cut chains and or to get removal of gems or bling. Oh, here's the Tweed Gel. I wonder how this compares to the one I got from AliExpress. I did get some from my last video. I got some and I thought it was completely wrong, but it was actually correct. I haven't tried it out yet, but this is the Korean Tweed Gel from Moustif. It comes in a really cute case and it's black and white. Look at this cute box. Have some more floral foil. can't wait to try out all these foil and see if it actually turns out right. So some gems. This is kind of like a Sailor Moon theme. It has moons and stars and gold. Is a gel glue for gems or nail bling. And here is a non-wipe overlay top coat by Jin B. And it is just a top coat for gel nails. So here we have a lot of cute stickers. Look at all these cute stickers. So there's holographic butterfly, flowers, roses, and other flowers, teddy bear. Oh, look at these cute teddy bears. This is abstract art. If you haven't seen my abstract art tutorial, the link is above here. So more abstract art. Cute teddy bears. Oh, this is Gudetama. If you guys don't know this character, he's supposed to be a lazy egg. He just chills out with bacon. Here's Winnie the Pooh. And I also have a Winnie the Pooh tutorial. The link would be up there if you wanted to check it out. Here you go. Snoopy. Snowflakes. Lots of cute stickers. Now we have a bear mold. This is a cute bear mold. I will be making a series of videos about making nail charms together. It is very relaxing and very cute. Let's see what else is in here. This is a gel brush. This is just an application brush. Now there are cuticle oil. Some nice cuticle oil, Korean brand. And then more glitter, super shiny. This is a fine glitter. Now we have cuticle cutter. It's from Korea. It looks very fancy. Even the box is very cool. Okay. Ooh, look. The paper here is nice. Oh wow. Look at how fancy the box is. Look at this cuticle cutter. Can't wait to try it out, how it compares to, you know, AliExpress cuticle cutters. It feels really nice though. This I guess it's stainless steel, maybe? I am not sure. It does not say what it's made out of. Maybe it does, but it's in Korean, so I can't read it. Here you go. So this is the paper that came inside. Very, very nice. Now we have pearls. Nice. Great. Variety of sizes. And then a lot of cute gems. This is Chanel. Oh, Louis Vuitton slippers. Look at this. Great for summer, these sandals. Now there's Gucci buckle and Gucci slippers. Look at this. So cute. This is a nail drill head. Actually, there's a few nail drill heads. Each one is for different purpose. This one, this drill bit is for removal. This one is for cuticle, and this one is to smooth your nail tips. So we have a pack of nail tips here. 100 nail tips, Korean again. We have a lot of base coat, top coats. Now look at these bottles, they're so beautiful. And then there's a brush. This is a blending brush. This blending brush here. Show you these more in detail later. Shooting light. Oh, this is the UV light pen. So this is useful to cure something small and you don't want to move your plant's hands or your hands too much, so you can just shoot the light directly on your nail. This is an in-between. This is a jelly coat in between your nail and the base coat. This is a preparation layer before you start doing your gel nails. Okay, so this is another clear glue for nail charms. We have gotten a few glue to see which one is better. This is a clear poly gel. This is just for extension, helping you extend your nails and put your whatever color you want with the gel nails. And then we got some new colors. They're all glitter form. It's super cute. Show you guys how it looks. Sorry, this is not a glitter gel, it's a fiber gel. So it will show, paint on and it looks like there's little fibers on it. So there's 5 colors of this. Show you in more detail. And then this is a matte top coat. So these are all top coat, base coats. We have some colors and then let's do a summary. So here's a summary of what we got in this nail haul. Lots of foils, floral and holographic, pack of glitter, pearls, a stack of stickers, bare mold, some luxury branded nail charms, more glitter, more gold Sailor Moon style charms, tweed gel, a lot of top coat, base coats, nail tips, fiber gels, glitter gel, dried flowers, top coat glues, nail drills, drill bit heads, a really fancy cuticle cutter, a charm remover cutter, nail glue, a handheld UV light, some nail brushes, cuticle oils, and a poly gel. So here we go. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and we will be trying out these products in another video. Bye!
Thank you for watching this unboxing video. If you like these videos, please look for other episodes in this series, and thank you for your support.